Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you the new 3ds emulator for PC. So let's start. This is the emulator. I got this on blackgamezone.com. This is the site. This is the emulator. Just click download to get your 3ds emulator, and you can also have the game. Their latest game is Pokemon X and Y, so you should try it. So let's start. I'm gonna play some games. I have 3 games here: Kid Icarus, Legend of Zelda, and Pokemon Y. So let's start Pokemon Y. So as you can see, the game's running smooth. So that's it guys. I'm gonna post this and I'm not gonna play the whole part. Just visit blackgamezone.com to get your emulator and games. So thank you for watching.